How does that work? Hey guys, please excuse my super messy room, just like pretend it's not there. I wanted to vlog for you guys today because clearly by the title, I am graduating high school today. I'm super excited. I'm also like kind of nervous, and I feel like I kind of took high school for granted just a little bit. I took senior and it's like a whole new level and like never went to school. I mean, I went to school, but like I definitely missed a lot. And if you guys are still in high school, go to high school. Like, you'll regret it like me. Go to school, kids. Anyways, I'm really excited to be done and just like going to college. I'm super excited. I feel like it's time. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling today. Anyways, it is 8:40 right now. My hair girl's coming at 9, so I'm gonna go get ready for that, and then I'll probably just do my makeup. You guys will come with me so you guys will see everything, and yeah. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm dumb. My haircut was supposed to come at 10, not 9. I'm so dumb. So I'm gonna just do my makeup now and then do my hair after, just switch around. It looks that bad actually. I really like it. Okay, let's go do my hair now. This is Vivian. I'm gonna do super straight.
Did you use like a bronzer?
Yeah. All done. Looks so much better. Okay guys, this is my dress. Super white and simple. I feel like it's very graduation-esque. God, I can't believe I'm graduating today. So weird. Okay guys, I'm about to leave my house right now, but my best friend Bailey is going to be taking over the rest of this vlog because clearly I can't graduate because, no, I can't vlog because I'm graduating. Oh my god. Anyways, I will see you guys later and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Bye guys. Can't believe I'm graduating.
Bailey here, aka Paige's bestie. I know you guys probably already know what the day is, but I want to say because I'm really excited. It's graduation day for my best friend Paige and her brother Blake. Hey Blake. I am super excited. She's currently at her school right now. I'm here at her house chilling with the family. And since she's not able to vlog, I figured I would vlog. This is her boyfriend. Hi boyfriend of Paige's.
Hi vlog.
Hi, look who else is here. Do you want to say anything to Paige before she graduates?
Ginger has something to say.
Break a leg. Break a leg.
Ginger has something to say.
Gingy, what do you have to say to P? I love you, P. Good job, Mom. And Mama, what do you have? Anything?
I'm very, very proud of you. I love you from the moon and back, and I can't wait for what the world is going to experience with you in it, and college bound.
And a short little message from me, because I don't want to get too mushy, because we both know I do get that way. My best friend, I could not be more excited for you on this new chapter of your life. I could not be prouder of the girl that you have remained throughout these years in high school by staying 100% true and authentic to who you are inside. I think that's something that's so rare, and you inspire me every day by doing that. But I just want you to know that I love you so, so much. I'm so excited to be cheering you on all of these new adventures, and get ready, world, because Paige Mills has a whole lot to offer. I love you, my best friend, and I will see you in just a little bit as you walk across and graduate high school. I love you. Mwah. My card for her, it looks like a love note. Soul sister. Hey! So I just was to post this picture in Paige's room.
I used your favorite perfume,
Yeah.
your best lip gloss, and your new bronzer.
Yeah.
Wait, and do you have new shoes on?
Her new shoes.
Yeah.
Paige always does these like little mirror shots in her vlogs, I've noticed. So she'll be like, today I'm just wearing this black, I'm doing what Paige does in the mirror in all of her vlogs. Today I'm just wearing this black dress. I've got these little 9 West heels on, a little jacket and a purse. It's just like little, you know, everyday outfit.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah. Hey, it's Paige. These are just shoes. I borrowed them from my mom actually, and this skirt it's just something this outfit is just something I threw on.
Yeah.
I got this bag from the flea market.
That I went to on Sunday with my boyfriend.
And yeah, so
Yeah.
Is this an everyday look?
This is an OOTD, yeah, outfit of the day. Full disclaimer, I don't know how you vlog. You are the best. I have no clue what to film. I hope I don't disappoint you. I love you so much. While we're here, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because she's the best YouTuber out there. Down below. Okay, let's go to graduation.
Yes.
Do you want to play a game?
What game would you like to play?
Guess what I'm thinking.
Guess what you're thinking.
Yeah.
You're thinking about how beautiful Paige is gonna look on the stage.
Wow. I actually wasn't thinking of anything. That was supposed to be a trick question, but I should have been thinking that.
Yeah.
Mad props.
So did I win?
Yeah, you definitely won. Major points just scored right there.
Play rock, paper, scissors now?
Yeah.
Liam Mills. Paige Cameron Mills. James John Norland, graduate of Ethan Miles Moscott, graduate with distinction.
I think I'm gonna just end the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.